Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So I have a friend with me. After my Monday opinion letter to Mr. about the lack of hamper use, and it was my opinion he needed to use his hamper, he now has a letter, his opinion of the hamper use. So take it away.
Dear Mom, it is my opinion that the hamper is not necessary because with us just moving into a new house, I thought it'd be smart that I put my clothes on the floor to make sure that the floor is stable, so that I would be safe on the top floor. Also, recently the dogs got into my room and ate one of my headphones, and that cost us money. So I thought, since dogs have a good sense of smell, I thought it would be smart to lay the dirty clothes on there so that it would make them go away and basically dog repel them. And so then that would keep all my stuff, all my snacks up there, all my um like my phone and my headphones safe. And that there's my opinion on why I do not use the hamper.
That's Caden's opinion on why he doesn't use the hamper. If anybody has any feedback for the hamper use, whether it's Mom's opinion or Caden's opinion, we'd be glad to listen. Bye, guys.